Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of short haircut ideas and hair transformations. So if you do feel inspired by any of these looks within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with a pixie haircut getting some color, followed by a long to short transformation. So she started off with very long curly hair. Wow, a beautiful pixie. Loving the texture that her natural curl has created within the cut. This is stunning. Next up we have a bob haircut transformation. So she started off with more of like a shoulder length style or a lob haircut. And the stylist gave her this classic chic bob. Then we have someone else with pretty long hair who decided to switch it up with a lob haircut. Beautiful. The stylist did add in some waves for some texture to create that signature tousled look. So here's another look at that classic bob haircut. And then we see someone with shoulder length red hair. Looks like she has also decided to switch it up with a more traditional bob. Oh wow, her hair has so much bounce and body. And the color is a really interesting mix of ginger and copper. Really pretty shade. It's amazing to me how much healthier her hair looks with it cut versus having it be longer. So then we move on to this pixie soft undercut transformation. Oh, loving the design in the back. Very cool. I love the fact that this is an older woman rocking that kind of design trend in the back because it really shows you that anybody can rock this trend. You don't have to be a certain age in order to do that. I get a lot of questions with hairstyles within the videos, so this is a great option for those who are older who want to do something a little bit different. Don't be afraid to try something that you want to try. Here we have a gorgeous bob haircut, beautiful feathered bangs, Oh, wow. Then we have another bob with bangs. Now the color is really interesting here because it looks like underneath the blonde, she had a bit of black. And then we have a feathered pixie style here. Wow. Her hair has an amazing amount of body shine. Oh, it just looks so healthy. Thick and full. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I must really like this bob because I managed to put this clip in here 3 times. So just in case you weren't paying attention the first time, here is another look at this jaw length bob. Oh, so we have another bob with bangs here. A lot of women are gravitating towards that French girl style bob, and that typically does feature bangs. This is so chic and fun. Very nice. Next up, we have someone rocking platinum grayish colored hair. Looks like she decided to go darker. Beautiful pixie with the curls. I love that kind of tousled, messy look. And then we have this all black blob transformation. So a lot of women are going copper, but that is a very hard color to maintain. One of the hardest colors next to platinum. So I guess she decided to go back to black. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And you can check out even more hot hair ideas in this video.